So the other day we looked at a flashlight that was kind of on the higher end of the scale price wise, and today we're looking at one that's kind of on the lower end of the scale because maybe it does everything you need and it fits your price and you're like, yeah, perfect, perfect. Anyways, this is the Warsun LED flashlight. It's their T7 model. So this only comes in at like 20, 21 bucks, something like that. And I think that may be Canadian. So pretty inexpensive. This is it here. I think it comes in with their main light about 400 lumens. So it's not crazy, crazy bright, but I think for a lot of people, you know, for like an everyday carry, it's kind of all you would need. So anyways, it does come with a little tiny manual. So this is your manual. Yes, manual, which is good. So product structure has your main light at the top. It has a pocket clip. Yep. USB-C charging. Good. It has a switch on the side. It has a side light and a magnetic attraction on the bottom. Okay. That's cool. And then we have I'm guessing this is, no, this is just different languages. So you get like 6 languages. Anyways, this is what mine came with. Is there 2 of them? There's no way. Is there actually 2 of them in here? You get 2 for that price? Is that actually true? 2 of them in this box. What? You get 2? Look at that. 2 of these. Plus 2 little USB-A to USB-C connectors. So you can walk around with 2 of these. Doing this out. Like that. You don't have to do that part. Anyways, this is going to be your LEDs on the top, as you can see, right? LEDs on the top, LEDs on the front. There is going to be your clip, so if you want to have this attached. However, even though I have a little string here, so I should, in theory, just be able to just kind of flip that on at some point. It's a pretty solid. It's a pretty solid clip. Okay, there it goes. Can I get this on there? Right. I'm dangling this, however. I can put it up like that. Right? It's got a little side light going on. So walking around doing this stuff. Or, of course, you could mount it. You could mount this on your hat, right? If you wanted light up there, just kind of put this on here somehow. I'm doing it. Excellent. It's long, so you just kind of have to watch, right? But that, right? Now we got a light up there, which again, you have the top light. So if you wanted to be able to shine for whatever you're using that way, or you could probably mount it this way and then have the light shining down, right? So that the light is down this way. I'm just giving the options for what it is. Anyways, there is your power button on one side. And of course, that's your USB connector. I would think it would have some waterproofing to it. I don't know if it says anything in regards to its specifications. 400 lumens, lightweight and durable. Doesn't seem to have an IP rating. Rechargeable USB says the built-in battery will provide anywhere from 2 to 12 hours of light and recharges quickly with the USB-C port, but it does not tell me how quick. But you get 2 of them. Oh, there we go. IPX4 water resistance with a 2-meter drop-proof design. Okay. And it has an emergency strobes or red and blue strobe mode that makes this flashlight a lightsaber. It makes it a lightsaber. It does not make it a lightsaber. It makes it a lifesaver. That's different. It makes it a lightsaber. I think I spit a little bit, actually. Anyways, we turn this on. Yes. Hold. Tap. No, tap. So we tap it. So there's our light. Again, 400 lumens. Okay. So it's not crazy bright. And I'm guessing because there's really only one button on this. Do you hold it? We're going to see. So that's just off. On. Oh, and so little single click moves from there, yes, to there, right? So tap, extra bright. Whoa, that one's got some brightness. Extra bright. Oh, I can't see it. You know what? That's my issue with flashlights. I'm going to end up losing my vision at some point. There's your red and blue flash. That's kind of cool, hey? Red and blue flash like that. Tap again. We go off, tap again, front light, tap again, here, here, here. Does the front light only have one level? Maybe it does. Maybe the front light only has one level. So I don't think we can hold it. What happens if you maybe go like 1, 2? Oh, so now the front strobes. Yes? 1, 2? No? 1, 2, 3? Off. 1. There's no hold for more power. It just turns off. 1, 2, strobe. This is where you get the seizure, you know? Again, off, on, always goes back to that. I should just keep my eyes closed, right? Single tap up here, hold it. It'll just turn off, my guess. Yeah. Tap. It kind of goes through the routine, right? So here, hold. Nope. I'll get it right. Here, here. Wow, that's bright. That's really bright. It's actually, they say 400 lumens, but that's got some kick to it, right? That's got some, I don't know if it's lighting up. It's not gonna like crazy light up because it's not like a spotlight. It's a more like a floodlight. But again, if you were to just have that on here doing your thing, or have this up in your hat pointing down, that's right in your eyes. But you know, you had your hat up like this pointing down. Okay, that'll give you a nice reading lamp, or like being able to shine where you're walking. And again, for some reason, in an emergency, I guess, we tap this. Did I do anything? There it is. I can't even see it. I can't even see it. So anyway, there's your emergency. So I guess you throw that on the ground and be like, somebody help me, please. Please, somebody help me. Anyways, is it really 2 of them? Do you get 2 of them? Oh, there's a 2-pack. So if you get a 2-pack, it ends up being like $19 per. So it looks like they sent me the 2-pack. One, $21 Canadian. 2, $38 for the pair. And I think that's it. I think that's all. Anyways, that's kind of cool, hey? That's kind of cool. I do like 2. They are super small. So if you want something in your car, excellent. You want something when you're traveling, just doesn't take up much space. I may actually throw one of these on my motorcycle, just because again, that there's nothing to it, right? Nothing to that at all. But ready? It's just, oh, don't even care. Don't even care. Don't even care. Says it'll survive. It'll survive. Watch it not turn on. Ready? It'll turn on. Yep. So we're good. So yeah, I think that's all right. That's cool. For $20 or 2 for $38, that's a win. Totally win. You know what? Do they have brighter ones out there? Sure. Are you gonna spend more money? Yeah. That's not bad. All right. Who is this? Warsun? Is that right? Warsun? Something like that? I threw the box away. I don't even know what this is called. Yeah, Warsun T7. Warsun T7. Links down below if you're interested. And that's all. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you next video. Yeah, I like to say it's brighter than I expected.